So today we're going to be customizing these LeBron 20s with this Thor theme. It's going to be super dope. And these are of course going to my guy Sniper T or Terrence Shannon. That's right, Illinois men's basketball standout. We've been locked in for a little while now, so we got a couple of pairs coming at you, so stay tuned for those in the next couple of videos. Mars, bro, come on. And this episode's gonna move pretty quick, so I'm gonna keep this more of a visual experience. So I might not check back with you guys until the end of the video, but I'll see you then. Okay, that's it for me on this one. I got another pair of crazy LeBron 20s coming up for you next time, so stay tuned for that. It's going to be Home Alone themed, and if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. I'll keep trying to bring you these quickies. Not everything I do is the most complicated piece on earth, but they're always interesting. So just like this one, I figured it's worth for you guys to check it out. So hit that like button for me again, and we'll lock in next time. Peace.